There is power in the name of Jesus.
Hello, this is Martin Kitchen. I like to show you how to make Haitian food, but first you gotta be like, subscribe, and comment. I'ma show you guys how to make gizzard. Gizzard well good, but if you use Haitian season to make it, I'ma show you how to clean it, what to take on it, and you take the knife, you clean it well good, put good season on it. Believe me, put sour orange. Oh my God, you're gonna love it, beautiful. Hello, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do gizzard. Gizzard well good, but if you know how to clean it well good, and when you open it, you have some yellow stuff on it. I'm gonna show you, because this one I'm almost finished cleaning. Yeah. You see, you just clean it and you see the white stuff coming from it. After that, you just get the knife and you cut it, both sides, you cut it, and you put it in there. The reason I use this, the sour orange, I use it before because I don't find the right one. The one you just sour orange, but I use the water, the sour orange water. That's what I put in there. That's real good. It gives your meat color. When you cook your meat, you use it. It gives you good color. Okay, so you clean it. You open it like that. You clean it. You see white stuff coming on it. Okay. After that, you see. When you just bought it, you're gonna find most of them find stuff like that on the gizzard. Okay, you have to pull that off because you can cook it with this one. All right, that's gonna go to trash. After that, you just see some little grease. You see find little grease. You take off with the knife. After that, you just open it with the knife so the season could get through it. See, the season could get through it because I only mostly clean it. So I just want to show you. You see, when you clean your meat, you put it in the season. You have to be that white. That white. That's mean to show you the meat have real good season. When you're not seasoned good, you see the meat. We see the difference. That's a big difference. You see, that's a big difference. This one red and this one have good season. And this one white. That's the color it's supposed to be when you have good season on it. Okay, so that's already clean and I'm putting it down. I left it up to show you the difference. You see, white, very white. And this one red because you don't have enough, because I left it up to show you, because I mostly already clean everything. You see, those white stuff, I left some couple of them just to show you guys how to clean it, because after you clean it, you put some season on it and you put another water, you put some orange water, you put it on juicy, not water, juicy orange. You put it someplace in that little pot like that, and then you put some salt and you put some, I got a big season. I put some while another juicy. I put some in another pot and with the juicy. And then I use some of this. I put some red pepper. I just chop some red pepper and I put it in the juicy and another pot to another pot. And then so while I'm clean, I'm jumping to other one. While I'm cleaning and I put it to another juicy, I put separate. And when that's done, that's why it come in white like that. You see? That's why it come in white. So, tomorrow I'm going to show you how to do Haitian chicken. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do Haitian chicken. Believe me, after I show you how to make your good season, how to make your season, oh my God. You're not gonna want to eat naughty food You will want to see that every day. You see? Very white. Very white. Because it get good season on it. Let me show you the one not have a season yet. Red. You see the difference? Even I open it. You see? When you have good season, that's the color it's supposed to be. When you don't have good season, it's red. The meat very red. See? While you have good season, even I open it, you see that's different. Different. So you see, you have some red pepper. Spicy, not anything. When you do your meat, you have to put good some spicy little thing on it. And put some of this and the juicy orange, you see? That's what I put. Now I could taste it. And very good, very good. You don't even cook yet, but you feel to eat it the way you have good season on it. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna drop this and I'm gonna show you my season. I already make my season. I'm remove this and I'm gonna show you my season, okay? This is the season I make. But I'm gonna do another video to show you what I use to make my season, make my food taste the way it tastes. So next video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I use to make that season. If you taste that season, oh my God, it's yummy. That's why my meat tastes so delicious. My food tastes so delicious. If you really want to try my season to make your food delicious, oh, believe me, just come and subscribe. That's the well. If you really want it well done, it take you 1 hour. But if you don't like it well done, depend the person. If the person want it well done, it take only 1 hour. But if you like it little hard, and it take only 30 minutes, okay? So also you could put a lot of garlic on it too. If you put garlic, it's gonna make it very well done so fast. Well, now it's already ready to eat because I already tried. Because for some people don't like it, like I said before, some people don't like it well done. So you see this sauce? What color it is? This is the color of this sauce. You have a good season on it. Very good. You see the color of the sauce? You don't taste the food with your mouth. You don't taste the food with your mouth. You taste the food like that. Like that. Because you're going to put the spoon back in the food, you can taste it. You know, I don't use tomato sauce. But when you want the color of the food, like if you have acid reflux, your sauce good to eat like that. Not too many grease, okay? Not too many grease. And your sauce good to eat it like that if you have acid reflux, okay? But me, I don't use sauce tomato, okay? I use this to replace it, to put color in the meat. I'm gonna put some color, you see. You see? That's the way I do it. You see? Now you're gonna see the color gonna be changed. I don't put too much. You see? The color will change completely. You see? It's really too. Oh my God, this thing have so good season on it. Oh my God, I wish you could come in and try. It tastes so good, so delicious. Oh my God, look at that. You see, if I want to put more, and it's gonna be more colorful. But I don't put too much. Too colorful, not too good, but at least I use this. You see what I use? To replace tomato sauce. Because I don't want tomato sauce on it, because some people have acid reflux. Sauce tomato no good for you. This, you could replace it as a sauce tomato to put color in your meat, and the color completely gonna be changed. You see, I don't put no grease. Look at the color now. The color already changed. No more white, no more. See? The color absolutely already changed. Nice color. You see? Nice color. So, right now, we're gonna be done for today. And tomorrow, I'm gonna show you different meat. I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna season it in front of you. I'm gonna clean it and cook it. This is Martin Kitchen, and we're done with the gizzle. And don't forget, subscribe and like and comment, okay? I'll see you next time.